Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display pictures in Gmail automatically. So here, firstly, you have to log into your Gmail account over here. As you can see, here you can see the gear option that says settings. Click on the settings option over here. Here it will show all the quick settings, but we are looking for a deeper setting over here. So we are going to click on see all settings. Click on see all settings. Here you can see many options, but what we are looking for is images section, which is hidden under the general tab over here. Click on the general tab and just scroll a bit and look for the images or pictures option over here. As you can see over here, there is no picture option, but we are gonna look for the pictures option. Here you can see the images option, and here you can see there are two options. One is called ask before displaying external option, but we are going to select the always display external images over here. But there is another crucial step that you shouldn't miss, because if you miss that, your images won't be displayed automatically. After you have selected the always display external images over here, just scroll a bit down and you will find that option that says save changes. Click on save changes and your changes will be saved, and that's how you can display pictures in Gmail automatically. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.